Hello, Doc Bryce here. Kakapain ko ngayon ang dagat kasi ang last race ko pa sa dagat, open water, was last year in Dumaguete. I don't know, August or September ba yun? Ngayon, first time ko magdadagat ulit. So, hopefully, okay ang dagat. So, tomorrow is the race. Mga adult, ngayon, mga kids. Look at that, oh. Mga kids. They're going to start the triathlon race. O biro mo yan, batang-bata pa lang. Pinapalaki na, very active, family bonding. So, dagat, be friendly to me tomorrow and today. So, adapt and evolve. Ayun na.